Hi guys, this is Abby from Forex Excel. Today we'll be discussing how to determine bullish order blocks or bullish order flow. So let's get started. So when we say a bullish order flow, it goes like this. So the price is going up, having a pullback, and then creating a new high, pullback again, and so on. So when we are in a bullish trend, usually a demand zone is created. So demand like this one on this area and so on. So you will notice that the demand is created once the price has a new high. So we call this a break of structure. So a break of structure has been, you can see it once the structure has been broken, or this is the high for this, right? This is the high, and then having a pullback, and then price has continued to the upside. So it has a break of structure and then follows with a new high. So this is also known as higher high and higher low. So this is high, low, higher high, and higher low. So this is the high, and then when it comes to, correcting the price, this is the lowest price on this. And then price goes up, so um it has this higher high, which is much higher on the previous price, and then having a pullback again, which this price here is considered as the higher low, which means the price is higher than the previous low. So let's get to the charts, on the actual charts. So when we say that it is in a bullish trend, the price is going to the upside, right? So this, on this example right here, let me see if I could see. So could see some examples. So let me just take this one. So as you can see, this is the high, and then giving us a low. So this is the high and low, and then break the structure, right? This high here has this move right here, and then pull back again, respected this area right here, and then consolidation, and then price goes up again. So I want to emphasize first the created demand zone here. So this is the demand zone that has been created, right? So as you notice, so we are on a 1 hour time frame. So as you notice that, let me just play. So as you notice that this is the last down candle. So when you try to check it on the 15-minute or 30-minute time frame, you will see a change of character, or a bearish move to the down, to the upside. I mean, bullish move that has broke this structure right here. So this could be a good POI for us to, to take a buy trade. So in 30 minutes time frame, you will see this bullish move right here, this one, and then having a pullback, and then having a continuation to the upside. And then as you can see here, this one, it has been respected, and the price goes here and then goes up again. So it really took time to, this one is like building up a liquidity, but we can discuss that on the latter part or on the next videos. But it is a good example or a good strategy to wait for the manipulation. Like this one, it manipulates this area here, like have this bearish move right here, and then took the price to the upside and then make another high again using this POI right here. So this is in 30 minutes, this one as well, or the last down candle that caused this break. So this is it's not that really significant move or really like pushes to the upside, but it breaks this previous high right here, and it goes back again on this demand zone and then continue to the upside right here. So more example is that this one is a break of structure, right? So it created this demand zone. So it respected this area, have this manipulation again, and then continue to the upside. So it is better to always check the trend and, follow your trading plan. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.